Greetings from TopSpot Internet Marketing. My name is August Beverly. Thank you for joining me today. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to set up a content group in Google Analytics. Content groupings let you view information about your website that is organized in a way that makes sense to you. Within this function, you will be able to compare metrics within the designated group, as well as drill down to the individual pages included within that group. This is especially good information for those with e-commerce websites. To set up a content group, you will need to log in to your Google Analytics account and click on the admin link at the bottom. From the admin page, you will then click on the content grouping link here. To create a new content grouping, click on New Content Grouping button. There are three ways to create a new content group. The first is to add tracking code to your website. The second is to create an extraction that is based on how your website is structured. You can use extraction to extract relevant URLs of content into a specific group. The third, to set up a content group, is to create a rule set. This is the method we will review today. If you ever set up a rule in your email, you are already familiar with how to do this. To start creating your new content group, you will first need to name the group. In this example, I'm going to use a CNC machining company. This company breaks out their main navigation by capabilities, services, and industries. By creating a content group for each section of their main navigation, I will be able to start tracking traffic and goal completions for each section of the website and compare how each section performs against one another. To start adding my groups to this content group, I'm going to select Create a Rule Set. Start the rule definition by choosing if you want the rule to group information by page, page name, or the screen name. For this example, I will start with the page option and have the rule state that it must contain capabilities within the URL. Since all pages under the capabilities section include capabilities /, this rule set will start tracking the capabilities section into one group. In the event if I had more pages across the website that I wanted to include within this rule set, I can click and or add more pages to this. Once I'm done with this rule set, I click Done. To add additional rule sets for the rest of the main navigation, you will select Create a Rule Set, name the rule set, and decide if you are wanting to track it by page, page title, or screen name. In the second example, I'm going to choose Page again and elect that this rule set must capture all URLs that contain services in the URL. When creating content grouping of any kind, Google Analytics will read them in the order they appear on the screen. This applies to the order of the rules created as well. In this example, I've created more than one rule set. To move your rule sets in the order that you want them to be tracked, you can simply click on the rule you want to move and drag it above the others or in between. Once you've completed all rule sets, you will then click Save. Now that we have created our content group, let's see what that looks like on the front end of Google Analytics. One important point, the content group report only shows data as of the date of creation. It does not apply retroactively. To view this information, there are two ways. The first way is to go to Behavior, Site Content, All Pages. The second way is to go to Behavior, Site Content, landing pages. The landing pages report will show you sessions, goal completions, as well as revenue that you were generated for these content groups. Within this report, there is a link just above the data chart called Content Grouping. Next to that button, it will let you choose the type of content group we want to view. The not set indicates the pages that are not assigned to a group. These other links that are our content groups. If we click on one, we will be able to drill down into a page that makes up this content group. Thank you for watching this overview on creating and viewing content groups in Google Analytics. To learn more, watch some of our other videos on using Google Analytics. If you have any digital marketing questions, please visit our website at www.topspot.com.